Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm coming at you with a few invoicing, payment links and estimates updates. Let's start at the estimates. We have now partial quantity support, which means if you're selling hours, for example, and you've worked 1.5 hours instead of 2 hours, you can now put that partial quantity inside the quantity box. In addition, you can now pull custom values into the estimates as well, which you can adjust on the editor level as well as on the global setting level. Let me show you how you can do this, and then I'm going to continue with a few more updates. First, let's click on payments on left, select invoices and estimates at the top, and then click on estimates. Let's select this one right here. Let's click open in editor. Then scroll down until you see additional options. Click the drop down menu, checkmark add terms and conditions. Click inside the field, and here hover over this. You can see it's a custom values icon. And here you can see estimates and custom values. Amazing. So click that and then select any of the custom values that you've set up specifically that you would like to pull into this text box. Now let's add a partial quantity. Let's add a product. Let's say we've worked 1.5 hours instead of 1 or 2, right? Like now we can put 1.5. And you see the subtotal changed from $1 to 1.5. Amazing. Then we have 2 more enhancements. Number 1 is the order submitted trigger for payment links. Now, this will help you to automate post-purchase workflows. If you want to keep nurturing people and keep upselling to a more expensive product, which they now are most likely to purchase because once a customer, always a customer kind of thing, right? Or maybe you just simply want to send a confirmation email or notifying your team. Let me show you how that looks like. Let's click on automation on the left, workflows at the top. Let's create a new workflow, start from scratch. Let's create a new trigger. Let's type order submitted. Add some filters, select order source is, and then select payment link right here. You can add more filters, of course. Hey, is it a global product? What kind of global product is it? Let's select this one. And from there, you can then keep triggering actions. Now, let's say you have 2 different price points for this particular product. You can add another filter. You select the product price is this one. Okay, so for this example, there was only 1 price, but if there would be 2 prices, if you, for example, offer a pay in full plan and then a payment plan, those 2 would show up right here. So that comes in really handy if you want to add bonuses for people who pay in full, right? Let's say you add an extra coaching session for those who pay in full, then you can set up this workflow, which then triggers more information about this particular bonus. Let's hit save, and then here click the plus sign, type email, for example, and you would then send the emails with more details, okay? So you just add a subject line here, add your secret details, and then hit save. Don't forget to hit save top right corner. And lastly, PayPal payment support for recurring invoices is live now as well. This only works if the auto payment is not enabled. So please make sure that you have integrated PayPal under payments integrations so that you can offer that payment gateway for your recurring billing needs. This will give the customer a sense of freedom of choice, basically how they would like to pay, but more so, it will also increase your revenue because the more payment option you give your customers, the less friction there is and the more money they're able to pay. Because not always everyone has money stacked on their credit card. Sometimes people have just money on their PayPal and just want to get rid of that. Let me show you how that looks like really quick. Click on payments on the left, invoices, recurring invoices. Select a recurring invoice. Awesome, let's click the 3 dots, let's click preview, ta-da, let's click pay, and here we go, you can see the PayPal icon showing up right here. That's it already, these are the updates when it comes to invoices, estimates, and different payment links and PayPal integration. I hope you like these new features, and I will see you in the next video.